There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence, baby. Let me in, go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do, so go easy on me. Hello everyone, Albert here. Today we have a very beautiful song by Adele, Easy on Me. I show you how you can play it with a few easy open chords and with a few fancy chords added. Let's dive into it. The original key of the song is F, but if we put the capo on position 5, we play with an open C chord and avoid bar chords. Basically, is this your strumming pattern? Down, 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 up and down. It's 1, 2, 3, a 4, a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. 1, 2 and a 3, a 4 and a 1. You can vary a lot with this pattern. Go a little loose with it. First part of the intro. So, it's a C chord, pinky, first string, 3rd fret, then second string, 3rd fret, open 2nd string, your index finger, 1st fret, 2nd string, and then an A minor 7. Second part of the intro. It starts with an A minor 7, pinky 3rd fret 2nd string, open 2nd string, 2nd string 1st fret, and then C sus2 / G chord. It sounds difficult, but it's actually very easy. Your index finger, 2nd string, 1st fret, and you mute the 1st string. And your ring finger, the 3rd fret, 6th string, and you mute the 5th string. And it sounds like this. third part of the intro. It starts with a C sus2/G, and you lift up your index finger, so it sounds like this. And then an F. If you want an easy way that still sounds really good, you can also hum along with the chords. This song is really based on piano. Don't be put off by the unfamiliar chords, it's worth trying. I also show you how to play it with the more common chords later. There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence, baby. Let me in. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me. Even if you play it a little easier with the more common chords, it still sounds very good. There ain't no gold in this river that I've been washing my hands in forever. I know there is hope in these waters, but I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning in this silence, baby. Let me in. Go easy. Go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose what I chose to do. So go easy on me. I had good intentions and the highest hopes. Did you like this video and was I able to help you? Then give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or suggestions, leave a message in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!